This evening we're going to make one of my favourite beers. It's a bitter. I love English bitter. This time it's a London bitter. So think of London Pride. I'm looking forward to something special.
Got the best yeast I could for Dan.
The best yeast, it was White Labs.
The London Ale.
Or WLP 005. Fingers crossed we're going to go for 20 litres of this, 40 odd pints, and we're hopeful it'll be worth it, because if it is, the next brew, the brew after, will be London Pride. So looking at malts, we got 4 kilograms of pale malt. We've got medium crystal malt, which is 397 grams. Hops, in the hop additions, we've got Challenger hop, we've got Fuggle, and we've got goulding.
Okay.
Nice English traditional hops.
So what do you want to mash
We
in
want to mash
today?
at about 66 today.
Oh,
Good to go?
Yeah, good to go. Yeah, hold that up.
Yeah,
That's my head.
Hello, Phil.
Oh,
How are you today?
Okay, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Are you stirring?
There you go.
There you are. There's that one. What do you want me to stir, go on?
Right, go on and swap places. I'll do... We're going everywhere, is it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
A lack of fuel to the bowler.
The what?
Lack of energy to the stomach, my diet.
Crazy.
Yeah. That's why we're not drinking tonight, because Dan's on a bloody diet. And also the stout went off. We haven't got any good beer to drink.
50 pints down the
50 pints
drain. If you haven't watched that video,
Yeah,
I'll put a link up there to it.
When you make a decent brew, you spend all the time.
It
you
smells
put,
like
put 6 hours worth
bile.
of effort into it. Phil, can I ask a sensible question? What temperatures does this yeast require for brewing?
Oh, this is a good one, this
Yeah.
one. 18 to 21. How are we doing on the mixing in? How many litres, Dan, do we have in here?
This was 70 litres of straight water. That's about 70 degrees. This is the most carbohydrates I've seen for 3 weeks.
Any doubles?
No, I don't think so. I've been stirring good. I do fancy a pint now. The smell of it.
Gorgeous, absolutely.
Yeah.
Can you describe it for the viewers? Malty, biscuity?
Horlicks is probably the nearest thing I could describe it to. Time for bed. So I'm putting the lid on here.
And Dan, what's happening?
We're recirculating. We're smelling the Horlicks.
Getting higher for Horlick.
Oh, I'm tired now. 65 degrees C, if I'm right.
Oh, you've done your trick again, Dan.
We give it a stir as well at the top. So the big challenge for today is for the weather to hold out. That's the one thing that we're looking for. So we're doing a 45-minute mash, and then we're going to do a 10-minute mash out at 75 degrees C, then starting the boil.
We're going to check the thingy though, aren't we, before?
Yeah, we're going to check all the
Shall we
measurements.
go now?
We can have a go now if you want. We've had the first one out. It's 1.047.
Already?
47 already, yeah.
It's a 10-minute mash.
Certainly see from the colour it's taking something out of the grains. Yeah, we were watching those guys at Brewosophy. We're not doing it that shoddy, but we're trying to compress the time as much as we can, just because it's getting dark at this time of year.
So it's my turn to recirculate. Temperature check. 69, we're at, Dan. Only the crumbliest, flakiest chocolate seems like chocolate never tasted before. Okay, Dan, what's happening?
We're about to mash out for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
We've been mashing for 45 and we just mash out for 10.
75.
75 in this one, yeah.
75.
And we're hitting turbo mode. Do you remember those old computers? We had turbo and non-turbo. Now you've got the 3000 watts, so we just switched on turbo.
The raising of the grain.
Okay, hold the ring.
Oh,
hold the ring.
eh?
Bring it side.
Oh, inside seat. Raising of the grain, downing of the down.
So how many of these do you Phil?
So we wanted to put 10 in, didn't we? So that'd be
10.
5 of those.
We'll check after 4, is it?
Okay, so I've just taken a gravity reading. We're down to about 142. We've still got the grains, so we still need another 2 to 4 litres of liquid. So what we're going to do, we're going to keep chucking the wort over the top of the grains to see if we can wash some more sugars out, and hopefully get us to that
144, 1044.
1044. So Dan's going to work these grains.
But the other thing to remember, Phil, it's going to be slightly less than what we're after. We can boil some off and it comes back down to the magic number.
Down to the brains of the outfit. I'm just here to wear the hat.
Because that's the thing when you're brewing beer, the thing you can control, if you can't get the gravity right, you can control the liquid. Yeah, you boil off a bit more, you add a bit more liquid to your gravity. How's your beer, Phil?
Lovely.
How's my water beer? It's not even lemonade.
Jim over. There you go. No sympathy for him.
Yeah.
Up to him. Another boo-boo by the Ginger Brewers. We've sparged with too much water. We're at 10:30 something. One of these days, first hop edition going in at boil.
25 grams of Challenger.
All good. What are we looking at?
We're looking at about 10.38, and we've got a lot more liquid than we can cope with. Phil said put another jug in. We added another jug or another 2 jugs, and that was 2 jugs too many. So we are letting it evaporate slowly, and then we add in a bit more. And we have to make sure it's all in at least a quarter of an hour before the end to make sure all the bugs and nasty stuff are killed in the wort.
Look at that little fella. Size of a thumbnail. Let's tune him down. He deserves a go at life. He's a bit too young yet to be right, let's put him down somewhere.
Put this in. We need the tablet in as well, Phil.
Oh, right. Oh, hang on. Take it out. Blimey, Dad. Oh, I was recording. It's all right, put it in.
Okay, I can put it back in. Yeah, that's what you're thinking. So it was happening in 5 minutes' time, Phil.
I've no idea. I've got a clue. What day is it, Dan?
Yeah, prophylactic or prophylactic tablets. Do you actually...
Prophylactic.
Yeah, prophylactic.
It's off again.
Yeah. Do you crush them? I don't think I can crush this boy, so we'll just throw it in. We'll see.
What does it do? Protaflock.
Yeah, it's meant to improve the clarity of the beer. But we've never used it before. We've got
In the
9 tablets
fermenter or
left.
now? Does it?
No, it says.
Now?
Yeah.
It's all about clumpy proteins, and
So we've got 15 minutes left.
it's a big orifice, Dan, and we can get it through there.
Yeah.
10 minutes before the end. Right.
Then we've got the Fuggle hops, so that's 10 grams.
You put a knot in your sack, Dan, do you? 10 grams going in 10 minutes before the end. Ooh, look at that sack. I don't even bother knotting the sack, Dan. Right, okay, Dan, alarm's just gone off.
Flame out, power switch off.
That's not butane.
Yeah. We're actually on the max, which means that we're 25 litres.
One more addition.
We've got one more hop addition. We've got some goulding.
Some Ellie Goulding.
That's some Styrian goulding.
Oh, Styrian Goulding.
Styrian,
Yeah, it was Ellie Goulding, but
Yeah.
somebody threw it in at the wrong point.
Yeah, so we're adding some.
So we're adding a bit extra.
Yeah, so it might be a bit hoppier than. So the ABV is slightly lower, but the hoppiness is up. Yes.
Oh, here we go. Whee! Right.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot now. I'm using the liquid to clean the dishes.
Well, fair play to you. So I'm agitating the coil to bring in more hot water into contact. Oh, jeez.
Are you right?
I agitated off. Another cock up for the ginger brewers.
Were you filming that?
Yes.
I have a little confession. I was trying to squeeze the water faster. I was squeezing the end.
Dan closed the end off.
I was trying to
Make
get
good bubbles.
I was trying to get bubbles. I got bubbles in my water.
Didn't hurt too much. Careful with the beer.
Squeezing the pipe.
Don't squeeze the pipe, viewers.
69.
I see Dan in the background. He's sterilising something back there, so I don't think there's going to be any more disasters.
So when are you going to the salon, Phil? Have you managed to book your appointment yet? Because otherwise, Phil, I'll have to take my shearers. I've got my hair clippers upstairs.
It's a bit. What do you reckon, viewers? Are we getting a bit long?
Yeah, he's getting too long, getting too ginger for me.
Comment below if you think I should.
Too much ginger.
Too much ginger. Comment below if you think I should go to the salon.
Or go to the barbers.
Your barbers or salon, vote now.
Yeah.
I'm agitated.
Take out, yeah.
Huh?
You'll put the thing on the top. We're about to release the
Release the hounds!
Oh,
Hey.
away the lads.
Away the lads. Excited, disappointed?
I'm okay with it. Final gravity reading and shows it turned out to be 1040. It's meant to be 1044, got around 24.5 litres compared to 23. If it ferments properly, we'll be down to about 1012, but we'll be around 3.7, 3.8%.
Session beer, okay? Lid, oh, not lid on yet, not lid on.
You see?
Yeah, cut the top with sanitised scissors.
And there's a pack inside, and I'm just assuming
And the pack inside, hang on. Whoa, as easy as that.
it's in there. The top one.
Oh, it's run off.
Just give it a twist. Carry on, isn't it? So I think we had a good brew day tonight, Phil.
Enjoyed it, mate.
Yeah.
I enjoyed the
Yeah,
brew
we-
day.
we
Always like a brew day with you.
How looking forward to this beer.
We're going to taste.
We're gonna have some Pride of it.
Looking forward to this
I
one.
love a London Pride. Have you got bottle opener?
No. Show my Bear Grylls. Oh, there you go, Dan.
Cheers, Phil.
Oi, oi.
Bruce Lee could do that with his finger. Have you ever seen the thing? He could flick it off with his one finger.
Hey, Dan, that's quite clear.
It is, it's the clearest beer we've ever done.
All right, let's pour away.
Will it give a head? Will it give a head? Come on, give to Daddy. A little bit of a head there.
Yeah, not too bad at all, really.
A bit of cookie. Like, nice colour in it.
Smell. Smells pretty good as well.
Yeah, you taste it. It's a lovely taste.
I can't believe the clarity. Yeah,
I think this is the best beer we've done. As in clarity, taste,
it tastes really nice.
probably a bit more head retention, but this is one of the best beers we've done.
It's got a lovely body.
Yeah, it's nice, lovely taste to it. And if I got served that in the pub, I think,
I'd have a few of those.
yeah, we will have a few of those, Phil. you can have what you want.
That's good. Good one.
Yeah, cheers, Phil.
Cheers, Dan.
Marks of 10.
For the count, rater, you are rater of beers.
I'm rating of beers. I said this is one of the nicest one we've done. So it's not 100% because I think you can do a bit more with the head. It's still early days. Yeah, I give it 8.5. I think it's certainly down to the yeast, the taste of that, the difference.
Yeah.
Cheers,
Dan.
boys.
It's a nice one.
Cheers, Phil.
Oh, you never gave it a mark.
I did 8.5.
Oh, 8.5.
Yeah, I said I couldn't have a 10 because it didn't have a head. I didn't think it was 9, but I think it's better than 8.
8.5 for the count. 8.5.
8.5 count.
8. But not an old 8.
No. A year ago, this would have been
Oh, it's been 11.
No, it's a nice beer, and all honesty, we'll brew this again.
Yeah.
No doubt.
So, yeah.